Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
Merong problema dito sa vacuum tank ring itong drive 40. I reset already but trip again. I check the motor, that motor winding is good. So that motor is, yeah, you see in the drawing, motor is for frame forward reverse. This drive here is fault. I reset already but trip again. The motor is overload. That motor to move the frame forward and back. I found the problem behind the motor stuck. See? Na-stuck yung fan, cooling fan, kaya ayaw umikot, kaya nag-overload. I need help for my mechanic. I call my body partner mechanic. Kakalasin niya yung fan o repair. Dapat yan limit switch sa kabila. Limit switch actuator is missing. Wala pala yung actuator, kaya yan ang stopper. Pag na-hit niya yun, dapat tigil. So, palitan natin ng bagong limit switch. Okay? Wala yun. Kakabit ko yan. Yun, nakakabit na. Bago na yan. Okay, yung kinalas na ng mechanic. May part na mechanic yung cover. So, my mechanic, he repaired the cover to cooling fan. Okay, let's try to run. Start. Alright, good. Now is moving forward and back. Working good. The drive no more trip. Drive no more fault. See? Good. Okay, working good. Ayos na. Okay lang yan kahit walang color fan. Babalik na yung cover mamaya. Right. Yan, pag na-activate nyo yun. Okay. Alright, see you next video. Bye.